Popular crypto analyst PlanB says Bitcoin might be gearing up for a major bull run, and his favorite chart agrees. He points to two key lines, the 200-week arithmetic and geometric averages. Right now, they're super close together, and that's a big deal. PlanB says that in the past, when those two lines hugged on the chart, Bitcoin went boom. Think late 2020 or early 2017, both times led to huge price surges. And the opposite? Big crashes happened when the lines drifted apart, like in 2018 and 2022. So with Bitcoin chilling around $80,000 and those lines cozy again, he's hinting the next big move up might be just around the corner. A trader who called Bitcoin's top earlier this year now thinks we're heading into a long bear market, like 2 years long, known as Bluntz. He says the bull run from late 2022 to early 2025 is over, and we might not see another one until 2027. His downside target? A not-so-fun $36,000, which would be a 55% drop from today's price. But it's not all doom and gloom. Bluntz says silver might be the next big thing. He's spotting signs that silver's about to outshine gold on the charts. So, while Bitcoin cools off, he's basically saying, watch silver, it might just steal the spotlight. Billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller is not a fan of Trump's new monster tariffs, some going as high as 54%. He says anything over 10% is a no-go. Druckenmiller admits we're not living in a perfect world. The US has a massive budget problem, and no one wants to cut government spending. So he's like, fine, if we need money, a small tariff beats raising income taxes. He calls tariffs a kind of consumption tax, one where, conveniently, some of the bill lands on other countries. But he warns, go too far and you risk global pushback. Trump just signed off on 10% across the board and up to 54% for countries like China. Druckenmiller? Not thrilled. An economist with a big following thinks Trump's trade war could send us back to a 2008-style crash. Alex Kruger says new tariffs might mess up credit markets, where even people ready to pay can't get loans. And when banks get nervous and stop lending, the stock market could take a serious hit. He warns we might be just a couple tweets away from trouble. Imagine Europe hitting back and Trump going full caps lock mode. Sure, it's not exactly 2008. That was a full-blown credit meltdown. But Kruger says a trade war could still light the fuse. Less spending, companies failing, banks panicking. Boom. Recession. Right now, the S&P 500's still chilling above 5,000. But he's basically saying, don't get too comfy.